Hello, I'm Arthur Bletchley and I'm a Chartered Valuation Surveyor with Be Valued Limited in Cardiff, UK. And if you're purchasing a new property, then when you're commissioning an RICS home survey, do you check as to whether your surveyor uses a drone or a pole camera? So while at the front of this property it looks fairly innocuous, at the back it's a good old hodgepodge of additions. And of course, the surveyor's not going to be able to see it if he's just stood in the back garden, or she, of course, with a pair of binoculars. They're not going to see the left-hand flank walls. They're not going to see the roof of this annex. They might not see very much of this, though they will see it out of the bedroom window, I suppose. In contrast, of course, if your surveyor is using a pole camera or a drone, then they're going to see all this. They're going to see all this. They're going to see all this. So, if you're commissioning an RICS home survey, if I was you, I'd check whether your surveyor is using a drone or a pole camera. Thank you very much.